everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got this skirt from my mom a while ago, and it is safe to say that this thing is unflattering on me. So we're going to switch it up today and make it a cute two-piece set. And I'm using my sewing machine, fabric scissors, and sewing clips for this first portion. We'll get to the bleaching part later. But for more information on these items, just scroll down to that description box and let's get started. First, I am just using my fabric scissors to cut the skirt to a more desirable and flattering length for me. Then I'm flipping the skirt inside out, and I'm clipping the bottom hemline up about ½ inch or so. I just want to hem it a little bit because I do still want the frayed edges to show. And the skirt is prepped, and let's head on to creating the top. I'm trimming that excess material a little bit just to make sure it fits my body. And then I am clipping a zipper in place in the back. Because this material is not stretchy, I want to make sure that there's an easy way for me to get this thing on and off. Please note, I'm well aware that I am using the wrong zipper in this clip. I did end up ordering a different zipper that's detachable, which would make sense, and using that later on. So just keep that in mind right now. And now it's time to create the darts in the front for the boobage. And all I'm doing is marking each spot where I want to create the darts with clips at the bottom and the front. And then I am folding the material at that point, and I'm going to pin a curved boob-shaped line at that fold. And that's where I'm going to sew later on, just to make sure we have a nice fit in that front area. Repeat that same exact process to the other side. And now it is time to create the straps with the excess material. And I'm just cutting each rectangle in half, clipping them together to make them one long strip. And then later on when I sew them, I'm going to fold them in half to make them thinner. And that's it, the base of the top is complete, and let's head on over to the sewing machine and sew this bad boy together. First, I'm just sewing that bottom hemline of the skirt, and it's looking good, much better than before. Now I am preparing those straps. Sewing along those boobage darts, attaching the zipper, and then attaching the straps. And this is what the top looks like, guys. It is so cute. I'm really proud of this. And now that the top and skirt are sewn together and ready to go, we're gonna add some flair, spruce them up a bit, and bleach these bad boys, make them look a little bit more flashy. I'm using garbage bags, a spray bottle of bleach, gloves, and make sure you wear a mask for this part and do it outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. And I'm just bleaching the very bottom of the skirt and the very bottom of the top to create somewhat of an ombre effect, but I more so just wanted the bleach effect at the bottom to create a nice contrast. We're gonna let that sit for a while it fades. And this material only took maybe about 20 minutes to start fading like this, which is really good because in my last bleaching project, it took hours. And once that's done, I'm flipping it over and doing the same thing to the back. Letting that sit and fade for a while. And once it is to my liking, I'm gathering it up and I'm gonna rinse these bad boys off in the tub. Make sure I remove all of that excess bleach. Now I'm popping them into the washer and dryer, and this is really gonna help accentuate that frayed effect. And that's it, guys. This looks so cute. This is definitely one of my favorite two-piece sets so far. I cannot wait to try this on. Let's go. And that's it, guys. Just some scissors, a little sewing, and some bleach, and we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate you guys so much. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss the DIY video. Now I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. My milkshake brings the voice of the yard, and it's better than yours.